Welcome to the Django programming course. In this course, we will cover the essentials of Django, a powerful web framework that simplifies web development. We begin with an introduction to Django, exploring its purpose and capabilities. Next, we'll guide you through setting up your Django environment, including installation and initial configuration. You will then familiarize yourself with the Django project structure, gaining insight into the layout and components of a Django application. We will also cover basic routing and URL patterns, teaching you how to connect URLs to views effectively. We will dive into serving static and media files, including CSS, images, and user uploads. You'll learn how to create and render dynamic pages using Django templates and manage form handling and validation to collect and process user input. User authentication is another crucial topic, where we will address registration, login, and essential security practices. We will explore how to organize your project using Django apps and manage configurations efficiently. Finally, we will prepare your Django app for deployment, ensuring it is ready for production, including handling static files and media files in a live environment. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of Django and the skills needed to build and deploy web applications with confidence. Hey Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.